Hey everybody, Hillary here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be touring a brand new construction home in West Destin. And we're also going to be grabbing a bite to eat at an iconic restaurant that is loved by both locals and tourists alike. If you have enjoyed these videos, please subscribe to the channel and give us a thumbs up. I really appreciate you tuning in each and every week to watch those videos. So with that, let's get to the tour. 508 Sibert Avenue, but I want to show you a quick street view first. So that is Calhoun Avenue, and down farther that road you're going to find Joe's Bayou boat launch. So if you've got a boat, that would be super convenient. There's a boat ramp right there. Then we have Cross Street, and again we're on Sibert. So you can see the homes are a little bit of a mix down there, but on this street where this property is available, there's a vacant lot next door, so there's going to be new construction. You can see this is new construction here also. And then there's a little cul-de-sac right there where the tree is. So it's not a through street, so it's very quiet. You can see the new construction homes here. A little bit smaller than the one that we're going to tour, but let's go ahead and get into the specs. So this house is currently listed at $1.1 million. It is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath. Like I said, it was brand new construction, 2025, 2,816 square feet. The lot size is about 0.06 acres, and there is no HOA in this neighborhood. So let's come on up to the front steps to the main level. I really like this house. It's very much a coastal cottage design. Very simple, black and white, nice clean lines. This front patio wraps all the way around. And this breeze is fantastic today. Oh my goodness, it's a little warmer today, but the breeze is awesome. So let's go ahead, move into the front door. We'll take a quick look. Kind of give you a tour from the foyer. So right here to the left, you have the first bathroom. Just really love these modern fixtures. Subway tile. You did a really nice job with the tile all the way to the ceiling. Granite countertops. And all of the pulls, the handles, the hardware is all that beautiful black. It's a real nice contrast to the white. LVP flooring. Fixed glass windows. You can see there's access from this bedroom, and we're actually on the second floor because the garage is on the first floor. We've got a closet, hall closet right here. Nice built-in, plenty of room in here. Then you've got a private bath that will serve the living area. So that's nice to have an extra bathroom. So there's 2 bathrooms right towards the entry. And then you can see this living room. Very spacious living room. Got the nice countertop, this beautiful granite, and they've used the same type of finishes throughout the entire house, so there's real nice continuity. This is a really pretty kitchen, nice and open. You've got the LG appliances here, slick top stove, soft pull drawers, beautiful underlighting. And there's so much natural light in this house. That's the other thing that I really like. You've got a big pantry. It's already built in. You don't have the wire shelving, solid core doors. So this is a very well constructed home. Oops. Okay, kind of give you another view of the living room. And this is over 2,800 square feet. So again, this is back to the foyer. And then we'll take a trip up the stairs, solid wood stairs. And then we have the LVP at the landing. And again, look how big these windows are. Oh, it's just beautiful. The natural light is amazing. Absolutely fantastic. We've got the aluminum handrails here. So this is the second floor. We have the primary. There's an extra storage area. I'll walk through it. We'll do the primary first. And then you've got 2 more bedrooms over there. So let's walk through the primary because it's really, really pretty. So again, you've got all these windows, but they're laid out in a very symmetrical fashion. And then look at this little peekaboo of the bayou. You can see the water from the bedroom window. Very private and quiet backyard, but let's check out this bathroom. Raised ceilings. Again, extra light. Just beautiful. Plenty of, and then here you have a wet room. So you have the double shower heads. You've got shelving. I think my husband could fit in that tub, and he's 6'4", tiled from floor to ceiling. Absolutely gorgeous. Another quick view, very private. And then you've got the private water closet there with its own door. And then you've got beautiful built-ins. You've got some nice built-ins. So it's not like a super mega giant closet, but it's laid out very well. And it's got the shelving. So that's the primary. And then here is just a mechanical room basically, but then you have an opportunity for extra storage, which is fantastic. There's never enough storage. And then again, the hallway for the stairs. Really, really pretty. And then you've got the laundry room here. And again, you've got plenty of room to fold your clothes, your washer dryer. This is a big laundry room. And then we've got the hall bath directly across from that. And again, they've just used some beautiful, beautiful fixtures and tile. Very, very nice in those choices. And then you've got the bedroom over here. It's pretty average size. Okay. And I like that they added this corner window. Little extra light here. I'll show you the inside of the closet. And they all have built-ins, which is nice. So you're not gonna see, wire shelving in a property like this. Okay, so then we'll go over to the second bedroom. And again, these rooms are about the same size, but then you have the little fixed glass window in that corner, just so you can get another view. It's just nice and private. You can see the water from there. And again, let me show you these big double doors, so you can store quite a bit in here. Quietly close that. All of the doors are solid core. They're not hollow core. Heavy handles and hinge work there. So it's very well constructed home. Definitely good quality construction. Okay, there's the primary, and then we'll go back down so I can show you the garage. Now this is a 2-car garage, and there's extra parking for 2 cars right out front. So if you got friends over, you've got room. Love those fixtures, really cool. And they use the same style throughout the house, which is so nice. So you can come in, there's 2 entrances. You can come in through the garage. For safety, that's kind of good at night. You can just drive right in. Nice big 2-car garage. You got the epoxy flooring. So this is the exterior door to go out. Let me show you that real quick so you can kind of see where you are. Okay, and then that goes up to the main level. Okay, let's go back around here. Everything's so nice and clean and bright. It's just gorgeous. And then you've got a little storage closet right here. Never enough storage, right? Put some shelving in there. And give you a view back this way. All nice and clean. And then, if I can open this door, there we go. Then you got an outdoor, huge covered outdoor patio. So it's very, very private back there. It's very quiet. You got a good amount of sod if you wanted to put a fence in, if you've got pets, or if you've got young children that you don't want running off, you can put a fence here. But it's nice to have the natural vegetation as a buffer. But the ceiling is so pretty. That really stained pine is just so pretty. It just makes it look really, really, really classy there. And you've got a nice little planted area here. But this house is, again, listed for $1.1 million. And that'll wrap up the home tour today for 508 Sibert Avenue. We're gonna grab a quick bite at the McGuire's Irish Pub. It is a local favorite and it's actually loved by all, so stick around and we'll talk to you soon. My family absolutely loves this restaurant. It's right across the street from Harbor Walk Village. McGuire's always has quality food, hearty servings, and great service. Plus, it's a really fun atmosphere. Now, when it comes to the menu, it's an extensive fare, but it's mostly American with a few Irish dishes sprinkled in. Now, one of my favorite appetizers is the Reuben egg rolls. They taste just like a Reuben sandwich. They are excellent. You should try them. Plus, their burgers are Angus beef and they're half pound. So I hope you've got a really good appetite when you go there. And don't forget for your family photo opportunity when you leave. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope that you enjoyed the tour at 508 Sibert Avenue in Destin, Florida. If you have any questions about the property or if you want to see other areas in Destin, just leave your comments down below and I'll be happy to explore them for you. If you've liked this video, give it a thumbs up or subscribe if you haven't already done it. And again, thank you for tuning in every week, and I hope to see you in the next video.